Alright, Year 10, what I'm going to do is show you how to create a 360-degree view of your 3D character that you've created in Blender. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my view to a front view. I'm going to left click in the center, and I'm going to change it to right view, and I'm going to left click in the center. Okay, now what I'm going to do is hold Shift A, select curve and circle, and I'm going to scale my circle out. Then I'm going to right click on my camera, hold Shift, right click on my circle, and then hold Control and then P, and then I'm going to select follow path. What that's going to do is make my camera rotate around that circle. Now, because Blender records by default at 24 frames per second, I'm going to have to adjust my video. So to do that, I'm going to right click on my circle, I'm going to click on Object Data, and then where it says frames, I want my video to go for 3 seconds. Now, because Blender records at 24 frames per second by default, I'm going to want to do 24 times 3 frames per second, so I'm going to enter 72. Now what I'm going to do is go down to my timeline, click on the first frame, which is 0. I'm going to right click on frames on the right, and I'm going to click insert keyframe. Now what I'm going to do is select the 72nd frame, frame 72. I'm going to right click on frames again and then click insert keyframe. Now what I'm going to do is click on the camera icon to render. Okay. Under output, I'm going to choose where I want to save my file. So I'm just going to select my desktop, and then I want to select AV RAW as the file format, and then I'm going to click the animation button. And what that's going to do is that's going to output an AVI file of my animation. Okay, so now that that's finished rendering, I'll be able to play that video and insert it into my PowerPoint presentation.